Okay folks, today we're going to test this 1969 Chevrolet AM/FM radio. This is a recent estate find, so I don't know much about its history, but I can tell you that it appears to be in the original box, which is awesome. You can see part number 1969C. It shows as Camaro, but the radio is applicable to 1969 Camaro, Chevelle, Nova, and Impala. Let me see if I can show you the model number on the side here. So the model number, if it'll focus, I'll just tell you what it is. It's 91BFP1. So the 9 shows that it's 1969, the 1 shows that it's Chevrolet, the B shows that it would be B-body, which is full size like Impala, but all of the radios this year used this same one, so all of them will be coded B. Let's see, the FP is FM push button, and 1 I believe is first design or first shift. Anyway, this radio came to me, like I said, in the box, but there was nothing else in there. Usually it would have a speaker and some wiring and some other pieces, I believe. This one just had the radio with the knobs as you see it, as well as a decal that's still in the box that usually went over the push buttons here. Anyway, a 69 radio is very unique. It looks similar to a 70 to 72 radio, but there's quite a few differences. First is this side-mounted power plug. The later radios would have a rear-mounted power plug. Secondly, 69 models come with a slanted rear fin here, and the reason for that is dash clearance, so the later radios won't fit without modification. Lastly, you have this multiplex eliminator plug here. If you pull that plug out, the radio can be hooked up to a factory multiplex adapter, which turns it into a 4-channel stereo radio. Right now it's a single channel mono stereo. It works awesome. You can see the original knobs are really nice. Everything on this radio is really nice. And it's kind of confusing. Since it's in this box, it almost makes you think that it was in a car and then swapped out due to something wrong with it or something, but it doesn't appear to be the case. It looks great, it plays great. The only thing I notice is the push buttons look to be a little bit skewed in the radio, but that's not a thing. All of them are working as they should. Awesome. Anyway, we're going to test this today. I have it hooked up to a 12-volt power supply, an antenna, and the correct 8-ohm speaker, and we are going to test it out. So without further ado, actually before I start, we'll start on AM. My AM reception is really weak where I live. I live down in a valley, so I usually don't get reception until about the 11 mark right in the center there, but we'll see how it goes. So you can see there's our light turning on. There's our, you can hear a little bit of something. So we're getting light channels, but like I said, the reception is weak here. There we go.
Here urging you to go to kscohealth.com.
You can see there's no static when you adjust the volume.
The Healthy Start Pack,
it gets loud and clear.
Nutritional supplements that I personally use and recommend.
You need to do that, and they need to hear you. So be.
That it is so influenced. So many.
Yeah, I'll show you the beat. So there's treble.
I'm modern Orthodox rabbi.
Welcome back in, Clay Travis.
Anyway, real nice. You can see the lens is in real good shape. The chrome highlighting is quite nice. There is one little nick right there that would polish out, and a little bit of dust on the inside that could be cleaned up, but being an in-the-box piece, I didn't want to mess with it. Oh, one other thing about 69 radios, the numbers on the dial have a green tint to them, which you probably can see there. You can see it's there when they get the light shining through them, they're green. The later radios don't have that. Anyway, awesome reception.
Yeah, baby.
104 million. I want your advice.
Hacer Stop California.
At the Home Depot, how doers get more done.
You got the basketball playoffs going on.
Anyway, just awesome.
Second, don't you tell me what you think.
Muchas gracias, queridos amigos y amigas.
Let's play another one now.
Con 4 personas. Have said a couple of things. First,
Anyway, really nice. Finally, I want to show you. I showed you the push buttons work, but I want to show you how to test one. So we'll find a station we like. Say we like this station. You can pick any push button you want. You pull it out, push it back in. Then no matter where we go on the dial, you're back to where you started, or back to where you want to go. Anyway, an absolutely beautiful factory AM/FM radio for your 69 Chevrolet. And like I said, it even comes with the original box, which is amazing. You'll see more in the pictures, but it's in real good shape. A little surface corrosion on the top here, nothing that even catches your finger. The bottom, I'll risk it. Bottom's really clean. And yeah, like I said, you really couldn't ask for much of a nicer AM/FM radio. It's just a beautiful original piece. And not only does it look great, it works great. So don't miss it, guys. Thanks.